Hey guys, we're back here and we're gonna be roasting a kid. And as you can see, that old grandpa on top there kind of looks like that. Okay, time to roast this kid. Just gonna search up this dumb channel. Okay. I don't even know what kind of name this is. His name is just Lies. All he cares about nothing. His life is nothing. All he is lies. Michael, look at time. I'm so stupid. Here's his diss track. Hold up. I'm gonna say what? Obey. You ready for this?
Yeah.
It's so funny.
You are big, suck on a little big body pop. Why you go home and suck in your sippy cup?
He doesn't have a beat.
Why you
don't
always
know
go
how to
on
put stuff in
vacation?
stuff.
Yeah. You're not my friend.
stupid.
Came with Master Fireball, or was that
It's a
wrong?
failure. You have one view. And do you know whose view was?
Yeah.
Me.
No one likes you, boy.
Exactly.
No one likes you.
Two
Or your
subscribers.
family. Yeah.
You know I love
Friends
messages.
with racists.
Oh my god, dude.
Bobby, maybe not racist. I don't know.
This
Maybe
is so
I.
loud. Okay,
No
I'm
one
just
cares
gonna
about
take
that.
away his thing right now. I really don't know why. Literally. This channel sucks. Team Rebel, wow. Let me just leave a dislike. Sure, yeah. It's not dislike. Dislike everything. It's fun. Everything's so trash. Really. Yes, you can be a bird. My God. Get my Minecraft. No one cares about Minecraft. Oh wow, one view. God. Such a unknown shit. My God. He knows nothing. He knows nothing. His life nothing. He spelled dying wrong. Literally. Why am I dying in Apex Legends? Yo, you wrote dying wrong. Obey. You ready for this? This trash, yeah. I'm just gonna write trash on everything.
Yeah.
Trash, 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 trash. Trash. Ow, no dog. Oh, it's making me yawning because content is so trash. Literally. Making myself yawn, dog. Make me wrong. You spelled, yeah. You spelled dying wrong. Literally. I'm so diaper, darn it. Ding, haha. I'm gonna actually say so. Dying here. There we go. Lol. Boy. Apex Legends. Who cares, dog? I don't know. The entire, all the stuff just pop up are guns. Cause my diss track is gonna feel like a gun to a head. To his head. That's how it's gonna feel. That's how it's gonna feel. I don't know why guns showed up. This thing is just irrelevant. He has no life. Literally. Oh no. What do? His boring content is trash. Literally. Come on, this aren't even his videos. I just watch Peter Pan this series part 3. Let's go skip through this whole thing. This is so cringe! So cringe! So cringe! Cringy. Cringe! I'm just gonna leave this all to you. Just send hate messages to this kid. Now, peace out.